bit to a solution no nipa ne can asem no kaka no. Say papa would to me father, Emma ne boa. But here is the case when the door she has closed the door. The door is not open, no one comes in, and she alone is on it. Ain't it on T solution? You may be a bim or you see who could see be and I who say I would the any crampon in an air or domestic.
So much GH Ghana wahala jumede ena ebre asose munia ba epiesi kapa ena so mede ebebe so mamu nim se ensem no dane dajete bebre na ena eba apaso nanso so nyina mu ne domu esuko ede emu nchiremu ebebe so mo se de mu susu betimi akye madwen ede afa ho na ye nwum tuni ye Mzvee ye nua ba yi get to a time bia ne ye nheda ehunu no ewo ye limelight na sana won sheda nye relevant kakra ema chese na insensem bebre ba bonti ebinum susu se broken heart ne won kro ne ba nanso ye no ada okokotena ye nana ama Brown United Showbiz ase a chese wo mo etwetwe nkomodi nti a okọ of ye music ni mu kakra na ye ntene nka no wodi ni nchiremu ba na chese hu a ye depression ne ho enkro ne ba enema ne called those like go through all those things and nti na wo hu ne ho sem enwum to okwa wo betimi atu ebiem na ebusuafo ensem a wo kan ye esa ewo eche ne de ni nyina ewo ho no we ene de keka ho ena ya bone beda ye de eba besom mo ntimi twa me ho aba me ba me de mo nchemu eba besom.
But Mzvee, you watch where have you been?
Oh, I've been around. I've been right here.
We love you. Where have you been?
I've been around. Say 2019, I took a year-long break. Now, I didn't even know, say, I'll come back to doing the music.
You said, say, ka u janyum.
Aye.
U jay talent no.
I said, nah, depression, no. Depression, shame. Serious one. Into, with all the thinking, all that came into my mind was, say, I was going to stop the music because I was just done. Yeah.
Now, why day?
You see, I wasn't even thinking straight then. All I knew was I was not okay until I just needed time off. So I just went off the scene.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mzvee, what build a brand? I'm a brand now. Whoa. Hit songs at this time. Yeah, baby. Not at once. Was who Jayato. Why? Depression.
Yeah.
Na satam na obi anyone in the Bekasa.
Me, the type of person I don't speak up much. I don't share my thoughts with people. I am very to myself. When I was growing up, Numi Mami, she would say, I don't even know what you are thinking. I can come from school straight to my room. I was very by myself. Secondary school, from dormitory to class alone, from class, it's just how I've been. Because when I was growing up, we were in a very strict home. And we weren't allowed to have friends and play around. I was antisocial. Okay. So sharing my thoughts with people, and yet something I knew how to do. So anytime I had a problem, it was all on me.
Wow.
And then it's compiled to a point it was just driving me insane.
Wow.
Yeah.
But that time, depression. No, you were under links, sir.
I was.
But
I wasn't
management then you could confine in them so that they help you.
The only person
so what you go out there. Also to me Gio no more boy because munina craft be na mo
Yes. But the only person I was able to talk to was Richie. As for Richie, in somewhere 2017, we had the discussion. I told him that I think I'll be stopping the music soon because he knew I was going through something. So 2018, end part of 2018, when I told him I'm going to stop, he was like, he knew it was coming. And that was it. He didn't want me to stop, but that was it.
Wow.
Everything for me, Sanso, Emma, mo, aqua, baby, Meti, a year, Mzvee, Ninsema, Wadi, etu, Idana, a year, Miniaba, Miss Metical, entertainment, and if I saw Menino ever to change and come over Metin, Wakaba, Miniaba. Nanekia, Yami sure when I was sound. I don't know. Say, we have a code, Yami, I don't. Yet ye a year nearby Mzvee, Ninsema, Wadi, but to a jar, then I bet me a car. Miniaba.
Maninchia. Michia too much. Etie for ni ashefoni na nyamingu so enkra momai. Minyaba asemi eya homete. Me sa na tie.
Adewa ko bi mu ana say de o kan no ne na share experience.
Minyaba minimu ni a okomu but sa na tie se wo yo obi a enyoma bi unkomu da. Na woni experience. And I send ya also all children. On your be no yes sociable. Ma obi to me a bunny life mu can experience children. What money to me be free mo. And it has been all about herself. And that's all what she know. And it's obi sano so nipa bit sa. Na say on kind of won't on ya experiences, different experiences on sister and on to come bia. I na omu the way your mobile handle omu because it become like a total different world. Okay. One expected that when susu that. So big to one when susu say me and everyone knows that those lady is beautiful, those man is this. Now omu wish her well. Now so one pa whatever people are wishing for her no. And to me I happen I know disappointed that such people can even commit suicide.
Not just
yeah.
Like who you be aware antisocial, who you be aware self-centered, who kwa dey na wodwen why it can lead to say ube take a suicidal risk.
Yeah, because it's all about what you feel.
Okay.
And what you think will help you. Ain't na ebi mo bufu a omutimi papa like they want to do anything won't feel release.
Okay.
But say nana uti we na nekua uti we na say wo how who you be aware sociable people get access to you obi boss me kono bo me obi boss me kono mbede fie obi ba o senti you get ukosa conversation obi nsu omutimi express your mo the way omutimi overcoming ni omuko no enti wonso sansa information enti na yesi na yet no enya effect wo so enti sa information na wo wate no say ebi tuwa solution no nipa ne kana asem no kaka wo no say papa wutumi fa ema ne boa wo but here is the case when the door no she has closed the door is not open, no one comes in and she alone is on it enti on T solution you may be a bim o ya say ukoti obi ha na wo hu say wo de ne crampo no nya na ya wadomesha ebi coach you a lot. And when you encounter such people and you hear their experiences and their testimony, wanna build deal. And it say if something like that come to you, ebi ma coach you and survive it. And I can also pass through. But the door it shouts down. Enti onya information on encountering testimonies. Enti eba and any say new years no. Yes, enti there are some people they are like that. In some bit trauma they cannot overcome because of the way they think and it's about them. They don't discuss. But at times problems share have solved. And you know obi wa while they are turning wants to say ni papa ni wo nipa de untimi interest nipa but ebiye ni papa ni wo enti ono no we closing the door as I said earlier on.
Okay.
Enti omo obi ambemu empo nka so beboa no enti se wo shate wo door sa na se wo ko bibi mu na se wan open up won say yes na adwen bone in your bone ba wutim and the storm is too much for you say wan hwe ya de bia me ka say the moment you will lose yourself you will lose focus.
Okay.
And she lost herself. Like she confidence or woman home say bibi san to me to know the way you home say Mzvee like everything should go well with me. Na bibi anko ye no etuni sintidia. But she forgot say we are in the world and anything can happen to you anytime.
Yeah, share nsem anu wodi etuja na waka uyo bi a wonye sociable say because of how our family brought you up. Enti say ko bibi mu a if you can't share with a friend that or family now one more restraining will say one more ma won ko ni panchen no. Say all the time you were with them. Enti adentina went to me enya yeah like say me mama and me papa ewo ho no metimi ai enya confident ewo ni mu academy komu e de akere no.
Okay. Until me and caught to that extent.
How?
The family sentences will make it say the family is strict. That means she can't get along with them.
Okay, so
do you know if someone is strict, you don't feel free to communicate with such a person.
Okay.
Unless the person open the door to you. Oh, mommy can correct you, but in a way that you cherish what she's doing. But if she came out to say they are stricter, then she was not getting along with them.
Okay.
That is bond and and that deprive her from reaching them with whatever she is going through. And normal money who say strictness will help her. And also was to herself, instead of at times you have to open door for other people who there you use your wisdom, work with people with wisdom. Now you will learn from. What did I say? Experiences are don't let experiences be disadvantage to you. They are more of advantages because nya ukomo no sua ade free mu. It is ade be better one. Who say if I go this way to help me, if I go, people are going through a lot.
Okay.
People are going through a lot that they cannot voice it out because of where they are coming from. As I'm saying, it's independent straight, you know. She can't blend with them or blend it with them, and cause she will not come out and voice it out. Okay. They are straight. That's why she couldn't pour her heart to them.
Okay. And
she didn't have anyone to trust to pour her heart to them. And now trusting problem.
Yeah.
Because of the environment she is coming from. And no man they cause her because as such be was sister say a bow na wuni dear. But meanwhile a normal obi experience a normal.
Okay. Inti Obama not say yeah parents no so no they like more adding more into their children's life. As in says, so more restricting kwalano from certain things are at long run, no, it goes against the children. Sana me person say, from the point I walk as any parents, strict, anyone crone bar, also why explaining now because of that immunity and na manenti me and your social buana then that means like restrictions now from the family background no and no na amano I go through this and answer them.
No, I want to say when you live a kind of way. You become used to that kind of way. Okay. You become who adapted that kind of way. Any other way will be strange to you and it will be difficult for you to go into it. Sana koya say obia what's na nipa mu a ofie die e be fan say to mission house nipa ba all the time e better than say you be the kind of person you enjoy loneliness.
Okay.
And when you are restricted, now they be out you do wash them one and you have your peace. That time, no one this kind of life for years. You've been alone in your room, you have things that you do to occupy you, you get used to it. Simple as that. Into environment, in your culture, into being culture, no be culture. Once at times they can never blend. Yeah. It is so be what this I can't be a woman said they can never blend because I did be here for so many years. Only me for a day and suffer from it. It on one casani mono now why addicted to say being why she enjoy being alone. She's okay being alone. It is such a person they call be warrior and I say omo be ye tuwa. One show ya onti me ne nkrofo ent na them. Because of very picky. Okay. Because she has lived alone. Or then the cup see her. Or come baby no nesi wo. Or kitchen the way of arranging in your mother in return is like that. When she lay a bed, nobody goes to sit on it. Okay? Nobody disturbs her peace. And then no, make the kind of living what's name. It is such a person. When I start to live with you, when you come to me, you like to mingle. Come and sit on my bed. Go to my kitchen. You know, she will not enjoy that because she has been herself. So that's what happened. Okay, she has been through a lot, but when young education and all come. Ain't na a man because a man loses focus, any interest.
Okay,
but I go deep to such things.
Say when you're depression, you are depressed about something. Although say one trade a man go through that depression, no dear, but she's been depressed. Now Obia like why you depressed that you are alone? Can you like because of say why you depressed you know or carry our building with like what bro a building when ya what brand area which make us say because of depression I'm leaving that thing aside. Like,
my dear,
how does it sound?
My dear, you can't be in the shoes.
I can't
do you know
be in
because of depression and frustration, you can do anything.
Okay.
Yeah, funny say, with the main fact, maybe person for example.
Okay.
Say when an acre out to way. When you bear maybe I would do a question him. Now I cheer my bear me. Or don't boredom. Now also yen about phone. You have it all. Okay. You are working, independent woman. You are complete, and I wish she obi. Who expect to say any power be disappointed? Nani power at long last. One bema baby pel. People wish for you, and bema baby pel, a woman of your kind. Na beme ama would atowakuma. Na would the ama nevi na fede. Once you have been see that, who experience be obi awakobi muda. And I won't share obi awakane house be beside the actual. Open up here. Okay. Na be me ya tiwakuma ya. One down drain. You can lose your focus.
Ama like o career ade a wati na building me jet ho.
Eno na make no say eye akoma no.
Okay.
Ena eboa uma utimi ye anyoma bi akobayin so na ebubui akomayin na disappointed yi akomayin so na edwin enti adwin na wo dwin no how na wo come take it over on mind in the way you know enti how can you think further so eba ne sa untimi ndwin hwin wo biem enti na make say don't lose yourself that moment no or the confidence share at the or your gold or your treasure. But ono obi edi ne suban boni bi anani oma boni bi abehia no anka yese bi a or overcome once I be mu ye de share won say bibia ntumi ntu ye bibia ntumi nsi like ye nipa bibia ntumi to ye fa wadwe fa hye wuti say bibia ntumi to enti say bibia ntu wa na ye adoma ya kwanya but ebi mu expect it. It is a trauma, a bomb shit. It is when the building, the foundation is stronger. And in from a kakana, so take a crab bone, na a bubu, a dino. Ain't no a foundation be out building a dream psychologically. What building your baby once a nipper, ye dream ye dear one. Ye dream and your mapound by a dream or woo, but or woo a part of us. Obia to me woo anytime. I didn't hear a scandal, sir. Yen for one can say. Oh, yes. You see a Johnny Free no cremo. Aha, it's no cranny be a Johnny Free one. Say a better say pet. Now fade there. Shock. Why? What the shock? Say what the shock and supreme everything freeze. As you do a shady freezer, no. Na that. Nothing is working. Adiana, a buffer when you sono. That moment in a freeze. Ain't you won't say someone that want to be you are a superstar that ABA person was candles or why I say this month I will bring out a hit. This way need now refuel because of Adebia to and also being same who I will do our brabomo. But so bedia to me say bibia to me see. A see and a shock because if young person might be without my meal, a shock, a within seconds, ubet near soon. But we are no crying now, what a chill, what dream actually say, bibia to miss no, and once a boa console you. A tobacco and nipper crew, or be quiet to me, quira. Was nipper crew. Ain't I didn't know where I am meeting Jim. So ain't I a dream? Okay. It is a nippon and gather many information about the things that happen or the truth that ebe break you can commit suicide.
Okay, Obama
it's in the any situation na no woman no a brona so but a brona no losing ho anka when losing itself say no I can do it, someone deserve me, I deserve better people nipa we cry oh otimiwu like it doesn't matter and anka what building also no this and your man truth no prepare no truth no dey sie ne ho anka on losing ne ho nti the way you losing ne ho ne because of in your maybe a one gather
okay
depression ti me ma we bibia no
okay
ba
Obama si yen hwe ade say wetie ne nkasa yen o hwa ye de wo offer mu no wa free mu na obetimi a bring something like could something best come out of her again?
Why not? She has it. She has the talent. Nobody can take that from her. And she has come back to her senses. Because the person will still move on. How deep you are hurt.
Yeah.
And I say, you see it to your young one. At times, and you want to know who the way you can't be in the person's shoes. And you know, if you answer no one recover from the depression, because it be anchorophobia, we're opening up now.
Yeah. And
it be advice in your maybe our you're not building. She's a very young lady, very beautiful, very independent. She deserves anything good, but we are seeing more your way. It's not everything you want that come to you. It's when you have that kind of mindset, when they don't come to you, you will let it go.
Okay.
My dear. She has recovered and she can continue with whatever she's doing and do it best.
Okay,
and I'm sure say a lesson plan with Suya. This lesson will go far to help her.
Okay, final words etu edwa edema ono ene abusuafo wo mo chechire wo mo ma chinchine ma wo ntimi nye open up no say dey be wo soon go through the situation na eye yenu aba you go through.
You made our singing yekia. Obi bia wo hwe me emfa woni ni a wo bekom. Don't lose yourself. You have a purpose that you have to fulfill. We are in the world. The world cannot be for everyone. It might be against you. But it doesn't matter how much or what you will go through. Never lose yourself. Because if you lose your self-confidence, if you lose your self-esteem, you will lose the mark. You can't complete your vision. You can't complete your purpose. And na minia bano, share be to be for a reason. At times it comes to prepare you well. Say you can stand at the top there. Obi wonko bibi muda. Enti Mzvee me hu ni say lesson na say usua. Say be in all your life. Enti say what coming back never lose yourself again. Obi bia wo hwe me. Nia wo komu bia solution ne yewo. Weni je yewo. Wa brabo no ebesi wi a eyewo. Enti ma we emma bibia emfa wo kɔhye fam emma bibia ma won sign wachi enti gather the courage and overcome obstacles.
Gather the courage and overcome obstacles. Oba Mercy ebeda wasi bebre abusuafo enkomo twetwe no aha na yedi esie adwentwe bia wo won so fa nsemi wo betimi e de aba e wo too much GH comment section wo ho kwan so say wo like videos na wo share dem anuanom ene adofo no wutimi so e follow yen e wo ye IG page @tomagh_. Me amede dwumade ho chia me midin ene APSC kapa me ne Miss Mesical ene twetwe enkomo ha na edi besi dasene yebesane hia makram.